I'm James Spence and I work for Computacenter, which is a services and solutions provider, and I'm the business process manager for our managed services outsourcing area. We've seen that over the last 5 years or so, customers have decided that they really like the idea of innovation being delivered on an ongoing basis during the life of their contract, and as we've got more and more into that space, we realise that the only way you can achieve that for your customers at the price point that they want to pay is by standardising wherever you possibly can the back office functions and the way you deliver your service, so that you gain the benefits of the economies of scale while still allowing you to deliver what your customer wants. We got into the idea of blueprinting our services in the same way that we're kind of learning from the car industry, in the way that companies like, if you take, for example, ordering a car from Audi, you would go online, you would have a look at their car configurator type functionality, which all of the major manufacturers offer. And you can see that you're able to create for yourself a bespoke product, or in our case, a service, something that is completely in line with your expectations. But actually, the process that the car company uses to build your car is the same regardless of whether it's a blue one, a red one, a 20-inch alloy wheels or 18-inch alloy wheels, air conditioning, doesn't matter. For us, we started to look at doing the same sort of thing with some of the core services that we offer as part of a service desk. So using ITIL methodology, incident management, is actually a very common service, and every customer expects certain things out of their incident management service, but they always want the opportunity to be able to tailor it to their own requirements. In order to deliver the blueprints, and in order to use blueprints to deliver a tailored product to each customer, we've created standard processes for each of the major ITIL disciplines, and we then take those and we then build storyboards using the control functionality that are specific to each customer. We use that standard process, but then put any customer-specific attachments on the appropriate box and build a storyboard from it that has the appropriate access rights, so that when a service desk analyst that's actually answering the phone to a particular customer sees the storyboard, they see the attachments that are relevant to that customer, along with any supporting text in the comments box on the storyboard that actually walks them through the specifics of that customer contract. But all the time, it's built from the underlying core generic blueprint activity. By using the generic blueprint built with customer-specific storyboards, we then group those into a navigational page that is specific to that particular customer. So we attach the customer logo to that page, and then that page that a service desk analyst would look at when they log into the system has all of the customer-specific information. So we also add, via documents, we also add things like site contact details, an overview of that customer, maybe a link to the customer's website, as well as all of the storyboard information that's required in order to perform the service on a daily basis. And that page becomes an operational service manual for that customer. And we're able to share that with not only the service desk, but with our customer engineers who may find themselves resolving a call on site. So site contact information is important to those people, as well as the storyboard of how you log a call, which is important to the service desk.